Flurry, what are you doing?
Get the laundry out of the way. Aww!
What are you doing, cat? Oh, I don't want to get... You're stuck, aren't you? You got it wrapped right around your belly. Where are you going? Come here, Flurry. Flurry, come here. See if you can get him to come over here. Oh, you're so...
Come here. It's alright. Come here. Come here. Come here. He's like, no.
Go.
Flurry.
Go. Get up. Get up. Alright. It's no fun anymore, is it? He's like right around him, like a saddle or something. What? You just want to go outside, so I'm standing right by the door. Watch this. This will be funny if it goes outside. You want to go outside? Where are you going?
This is Halloween costume.
You're not going to be able to go far, are you?
He's like, why don't you help me?
Oh my gosh.
We was like, what the heck?
Is he still stuck?
Yes. We gotta
Let's
help
go
him.
get him. Come here, Flurry.
He's trying to get it off.
Flurry, come here. Oh, it's all muddy over here. Oh, you got it. Oh, now he's free. Ah, there he goes.